So many a times we require to provide rates per square foot or per unit, but sometimes you have to provide the codes or the rates for full quantity of the project. So my site book offers a flexibility in both the approaches. Yes, being a contractor, I tend to use many softwares because making quotations on Microsoft Word or Excel is outdated and also it is time consuming. I have used Vapar, also my bill book, but the different part about this my site book is you are able to create sections when you are doing quotations. The software is very user friendly, so I did not require any support, but my sidebook team was very happy to help, and also they could provide some quotation samples whenever required. Yeah, for sure I will recommend a sidebook for all the fellow contractors. Actually, I have already started recommending to few of my business colleagues.